In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop in Pro Tools. Now to do this, there's a few different ways. I'm going to show you the easiest ones. The first one is going to be to simply select the part you want to loop. So I'm going to go with this part over here. Of course, you want to make sure the selector tool is selected and then just click and drag over it like this. And then you want to right click and you want to click on the loop button down here, and you can select the number of loops or of course the loop length, and of course you could also select loop until end of the session or next clip. So it's completely up to you. I'm just gonna make 8 loops as it is default over here and click OK. There we go. As you can see, it's going to make that amount of loops in here, and you can see this arrow over here which indicates that's actually a loop. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. The second one, which is maybe even more convenient, would be to go to the top over here and hover over this tool, which is the trim tool, and you want to right click and click on loop. Now, whenever you do this, you want to go to the very edge of your audio. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click and then just drag. So as you can see right now, it doesn't allow me to drag. It opens up this spot dialog. So I'm going to have to switch the grid over here. And then you can click and drag. And there we go. As you can see, you can make as many loops as you want. And then release your mouse button when you're done. And there we go. We have looped the audio. Okay. So those are the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.